Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use oregano oil for SIBO. SIBO, or Small Intestinal Bacterial Overgrowth, occurs when there's an excessive amount of bacteria in your small intestine, leading to uncomfortable digestive symptoms. Oregano oil, extracted from the oregano plant, is a powerful natural substance known for its strong antimicrobial properties. It's often explored as a complementary approach to help restore balance in the gut. Oregano oil's effectiveness against SIBO largely comes from its active compounds, carvacrol and thymol. These powerful components work by disrupting bacterial cell membranes, effectively inhibiting bacterial growth and reducing their numbers. For typical use, a common recommendation is to take 1 to 2 capsules, usually containing around 100 to 150 milligrams of carvacrol, 2 or 3 times daily with food. Before incorporating oregano oil into your SIBO management plan, it is crucial to consult with a healthcare professional. They can provide personalized guidance and ensure it's appropriate for your specific condition. Some individuals might experience mild side effects like heartburn or indigestion. Always opt for a high-quality, standardized oregano oil to ensure potency and purity, typically with at least 70% carvacrol content. For optimal results, it is often beneficial to combine oregano oil therapy with a SIBO-specific dietary approach, such as a low FODMAP diet. This dual strategy can significantly enhance the oil's effectiveness in reducing bacterial overgrowth. Throughout the treatment, carefully monitor your symptoms and communicate any changes with your doctor. A typical course of treatment usually lasts between 2 and 4 weeks, after which your progress should be reevaluated.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.